I'll answer it in two aspects. First aspect is making them happier at the workplace, having them engaged in the day-to-day working of your company. And for doing so, the most important factor is the person should feel his or her opinion counts. If an opinion counts of a talented entrepreneur or talented employee, they will stick with you. This is the first parameter. This is the biggest reward that you can give to them. They will go back happier after the day's work and tell their family members and others that I gave that in the suggestion and the company is going to be accepting it and rolling it out and experimenting with my idea or so. The second aspect on the financial side. Here, we've been through the pandemic. Most of the employees were asked to make sacrifices for their employers. They have taken significant salary cuts. If they are standing by you in your tough times, you need to be rewarding them the moment you come back to the pre-COVID levels of revenue or the revenues that you are aspiring to achieve post in a pre-COVID days, in the months that you've now started seeing them. You should be rewarding them with bonuses at least equal to the amount that they sacrifice in the early months of the pandemic. Simple tool, but powerful. I actually, in my life, have been rewarded through the routes of employee stock options, ESOPs at Dabur and Bharti Airtel. These ESOPs is a tool wherein your cash flow is not impacted. You're only sharing the potential wealth which may or may not get encashed after 5 to 10 years. But can you be transparent? Can you be open? In India, many startups have not honored their ESOP policy under some or the other disguise to the employees who are exiting or leaving. Whatever be the scenario, make it employee friendly and the talent friendly in such a way that they are in the money on the day one the ESOPs are granted. For example, the value of your shares is 100 rupees and the face value is 10 rupees. I would love that you give those shares to the employees at 10 rupees today and say that in case you're there with me for 4 years or 5 years at 10%, 20%, 30%, 40% vesting, you will be rewarded with this particular in the money stock options. That's a starting point. Second, have enough and large ESOP pool to be able to give to your team every 2-3 years. It's not one-time exercise. Performance-linked ESOP bonus ESOP schemes have to be launched. If your company is actually able to attract that talented team, exceptional employees, you will grow at a rapid pace because continuity of employees will ensure that you're growing faster and better. Considering that, you will have to continuously keep adding to the ESOP pool. This is not a money going out of your pocket. You're only sharing potential wealth that is going to be encashed at a certain point in time and which you don't know when will that be encashed. However, make it transparent, make it such that even if the employee has to quit for some reasons after 18 months or 24 months, the whatever 10%, 20% they've earned, they are able to encash that at the time the liquidity event is happening in your company. So that's why you can retain your employees.